Japanese restaurant. Welcome! Come this way, please. This is the menu. Let's check out what the guests would like to eat. Udon noodles. Udon noodles are special Japanese noodles that are soft, nutritious, delicious, and easy to digest. Therefore, udon noodles serve as healthy food for kids. Boil noodles. The udon noodles look thick, yet taste soft. Make broth. Let's get the dried kelp ready first. Let's boil the dried bonito flakes. We can make delicious broth by using dried kelp and dried bonito flakes. Add the salt. Add the soy sauce. Add mirin. Mirin is a Japanese cooking wine. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Fried shrimp. Shakuwa. Wow! This bowl of udon noodles must be delicious! Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Please enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Have Have a nice day. Welcome. Come this way, please. Wagashi. Wagashi is a kind of Japanese dessert that looks pretty in a variety of styles. Let's start making wagashi. Let's make wrappers first. Cut the wrapper into a square one. Add a spoonful of sweet bean paste. And then wrap the bean paste ball inside. Yeah! The wagashi looks so pretty! Let's make another wagashi. This one will look prettier. Let's make wrappers first. Add a spoonful of sweet bean paste and wrap it inside. Press it with hands. And then press it with a tool to turn it into the shape of a flower. Wow, this one looks pretty as well. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Wow, the pretty wagashi is ready! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal! Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Welcome. Come this way, please. Taiyaki. taiyaki is a Japanese dessert. It is shaped like a small chubby fish and tastes sweet and delicious. Make the batter. Crack 3 eggs. Add the sugar. Add the honey. Add the flour and sift it. Bake taiyaki. Add half of the batter first. Cherry blossom filling. Cherry blossom filling. Cherry blossom filling. Cherry blossom filling. And then add the rest of the batter to cover the filling. Close the baking tray and bake it. Wow! I love the sweet smell of taiyaki. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. The taiyaki is ready! Awesome! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Welcome. Come this way, please. Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a famous Japanese snack and is also known as octopus balls. This ball-shaped snack is crispy outside and has minced octopus inside. Prepare octopus feet. takoyaki. Add the batter. Bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper. And then add more batter to cover these ingredients. The color of takoyaki has changed. Pick them up and flip them over. Wow, they smell so great! Let's pick them out of the pan with a fork. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Salad dressing. Chopped scallions. Yo-ho! Takoyaki is ready to be served. Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Please enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.